Hey everyone, I'm going to eat with Miss Nuki Sarna. Miss Nuki will be leading in two NMFF film which are The Shipwrecker and Lord 14 and of course The Bride and the Lover. Showing na po yan sa Metro Manila Film Festival. Hi Miss Nuki.
Hi! Don't forget please po to support lahat ng mga palabas sa Metro Manila Film Festival. Sariling atin po ito at sana po ay patuloy mo sa pagkilikin at sa mga tatangkilik, nagpapasalamat ako po ngayon pala. Thank you very much and don't forget to keep on tuning in to Bits of Rock, www.bitsofrock.blogspot.com.
And of course, my TV series vlogs.
Yes, www.tvseriescraze, as in crazy,
Yes, crazy.
.blogspot.com.
Okay, supportan po natin mga pelikula ng Pilipino ngayong Disyembre na. Okay, thank you.